So this is just a quick overview of my project, which was pretty much just analyzing a set of data from a company who sold desktops, laptops, and tablets across the country. Um, and yeah, so in my first worksheet, sales by product slash region, it shows the general sales and profits by each region of the country. Um, and yeah, it shows pretty much how well each region performed, and showed that the South performed the worst in both 2018 and 2019. So that piqued my interest, and I wanted to know a little bit more. So then we went over here in the second worksheet and created the sales in the South worksheet, just looking deeper into the South, and what was going on. And we can see that um, desktops and tablets greatly decreased from 2018 to 2019. In the third worksheet, we looked at a profit map of the southern region, and the reason for this worksheet was because I wanted to see, um, you know, specifically how each state in the southern region was performing. Um, and with the map view, you could quickly see the top performers and the bottom performers. So we can see that with the darker green, Florida was the best performer, and then with darker red, Mississippi was the worst performer. So then we go over to the fourth worksheet, um, which is uh, the profits and sales of each state, desktop and tablets, sales and profits uh, of the southern region. And the reason for this one was because I felt, or I had an inclination that um, uh, each uh, perf- poor performing state had a problem with desktops and laptops, because if we remember from the second worksheet, that was the two areas that decreased the most from 2018 to 2019. Uh, and so in this view, we just highlighted the desktops and tablets um, departments, and showed that in fact all the worst performing states had lower desktop and tablet sales and profits, while the better performing states had higher desktop and tablet sales. So then we look at our dashboard, and this is basically just showing that um, we came over uh, and looked at the general sales and profits of the company's complete sales. Saw that the South was the worst performing region. Wanted to see what states were performing poorly in the South, and that was highlighted by the map. And then we were able to see the specific sales and profits of each state in the South over in this uh, table or graph. And then another cool thing about this dashboard is that when you click on the specific state, the tables also correspond to that state. So if we look by clicking on Florida, Florida's data would pop up. By clicking on Mississippi, Mississippi state would pop up. And then when we look at the story just pretty much tells the analysis story that uh, I just stated here, showing that all sales and profits by region, uh, uh, further look into the South's sales and profits, and also which departments were performing uh, worse um, from 2018 to 2019. Then we can see the best and worst performing states in the South by looking at our profit map. And we could also see a closer look at the southern states' performances regarding desktops and tablets and how that corresponds with the state's overall performance. And then finally, our dashboard, which shows the South's profits and how their poor performing desktop and laptop sales corresponded with the state's overall profits being low. And my general recommendation for the company would be to either uh, choose different products, um, like specifically desktop and laptops, to sell because they're not really resonating with the market as people are not buying them. Besides only one of the products at most. So either they can uh, find different desktops and laptops that people would enjoy more and buy more, or they can discontinue selling desktops and tablets in total to try to increase profits and help their states perform better.